Before the invention of the car horn, drivers used some pretty stupid things to alert people. In the beginning, cars didn't come with horns. Instead, drivers kept whistles and cowbells inside the cabin. As soon as someone stepped onto the road, the driver would just start ringing the bell at them. Then came the classic bulb horn, the one with the rubber ball that you squeeze to make a sound. This became the first real car horn, but the funniest part was that there was no fixed sound. Some honked like ducks, others like geese, and some even sounded like bagpipes. Every brand had its own weird, unique noise. Eventually, manufacturers introduced the electric horns we have today, where almost every brand sounds pretty much the same.